How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to manually add a Wi-Fi network, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your control panel. Once you open up your control panel, you need to go with the upper right and choose the large icons. Once you choose the large icons, now here you will have Network and Sharing Center. Click on it, and here you need to go with the first, which is set up a new network or connection. Once you click on it, now you need to go with manually connected to a wireless network and then go with next. And here you need to enter your network name. So I'll be choosing a network name. And then you need to choose an option under your security type. So I'll be choosing WPA2 personal and then go with the encryption type. And here you need to enter the security key. You can hide the characters if you want to. And after that, you can go with connect even if the network is not broadcasting and go with next. And this manually added network will be added to your PC or your laptop. Once you've added, here on the bottom right under your control center, you'll have the Wi-Fi which you've just connected. You can simply go with connect with that Wi-Fi connection. So that's how you can add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.